Hey, welcome to the Ozzstar channel. I'm Glenn. Today I want to show you how to remove the door panel here on this cargo van. It happens to be a 2011 model. A lot of the years are the same. This one's an E350. It's really fairly simple to do. I'm changing the locks out all the way around on this van, but maybe you're working on a window, the regulator's broken, or you got to change the glass or what have you. Anyway, I'll show you real quick how to do that. Take that panel off. It's pretty simple. And if you have power locks, it's just a switch that'll come out. This has the old crank style, so it's no big deal. I'll show you how to get that old cranky off. Let's get to the video. So we just need a few simple tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a T20 Torx. So the way I start is, I hope you can, you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. I take my small screwdriver. Now there's a small button back here behind the door pull. Let me grab that out for you. So pry that out. It's a little square guy right there. Hopefully that's in focus. And then you have one small circle one down here. Looks like somebody's taken this door off before. I can see where they've pried on the plastic, like around here. Try to be careful, you don't want to damage it. But anyway, right down here there's a screw, a Phillips screw, which was already loose. It was actually doing nothing. Okay, that makes it easy. There is a Torx right behind here. Let's get that out. Take that screw out. Once you get this screw out, it looks like somebody's got, I don't know what they got on there, foam or something. I don't know if you can see that. Somebody's been in here before, so well, we'll probably find some good stuff. Anyway, get behind the this panel here comes out, and it's just in there with some clips. You got to kind of put some pressure on it, and what I'll do is I'll take my yellow plastic pry tool here and just give it a little tuggy tug. You got to work it out. There you go. If you use this plastic, usually you won't scratch the door panel like somebody did previously, but hey, it takes all types. So that comes out right there, and then right behind here is another Torx screw, same size, T20. Take that one out. Once we get this out, then all we're going to do now is go to the window crank right here, and this plastic piece will pop off. This one's kind of loose. Hopefully you can see this here. And I'm just swinging this up, and there's another T20 back down in here. So let's get that out. Ooh, that one's tight. Oh boy. That one's going to be tough. Looks like somebody glued it in. Damn. Let me get something else to get that out. All right, so I got some gloves, and I'm going to try taking this out now so my hands don't become mincemeat. There we go. Just needed a little more leverage. Man, that sucker was overly tight. No reason for that, that's for sure. And then once you get that screw out, this whole handle will just slide right back like that. And then there's that little screw here. But then there's a little, let me show you, there's a little washer kind of deal right back here, spacer. So make sure you don't lose that. So once that's off, you should be pretty much free to go. So what you do is you push. Oh, wait a minute, one more step. Let's take this piece off here. This little triangle door frame piece comes off, just pops, slides right out. Now we've got one more. See? I didn't fool myself, did I? We got one more Torx right here. Dang, almost jumped the gun. You know, you start getting door panel fever and that stuff happens. Anyway, so that's out now. Now we can lift up on it. So let's pull back and up. Give it a good yank, and I'll show you how it fastens in just a second. Of course, this screw down here is holding me up. Let me, it's not tight, but it's kind of sitting in there. There it goes, okay? So you pull up, back, and then up. There we go. Now this one doesn't have any electric or anything hooked on it. The vapor barrier's stuck. I'll show you that in a second. So here we go. So you see these clips here, these brackets, they're kind of shaped down. So you're just when you put it back in, just slide it in and push down, and they lock into the little holes that are down there. No big deal. So that sucker's out of the way. Yeah, somebody's been here. I can see all the yellow tape. So now I can pull this vapor barrier back. Of course, you want to tape this up tighter than this. You could use some butyl. This is your, keep moisture out from the interior. And I'm going to peel this back, and now I can get back there to my lock. So that one's pretty simple. Hope it helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Click the subscribe button if you get a chance, and ring that bell for some notifications. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.